Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Chief Minister. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, issues have arisen in various states between chief ministers and governors with regard to passing of the bills. Now let's discuss about the chief minister. Article 164 of the Constitution envisages that the chief minister shall be appointed by the governor. A leader of the party that has got the majority share of votes in the assembly elections is appointed as the chief minister of the state. The governor is the nominal executive authority, but real executive authority rests with the chief minister. A person who is not a member of the state legislature can be appointed as chief minister for 6 months, within which time he should be elected to the state legislature, failing which he ceases to be the chief minister. Now moving on to term of the CM. The term of the chief minister is not fixed and he holds office at the pleasure of the governor. He cannot be dismissed by the governor as long as he enjoys the majority support in the legislative assembly. The state legislative assembly can also remove him by passing a vote of no confidence against him. Now moving on to his powers and functions. With respect to the Council of Ministers or COM, the governor appoints only those persons as ministers who are recommended by the chief minister. He allocates and reshuffles the portfolios among ministers. He can bring about the collapse of the Council of Ministers by resigning from office, since the CM is the head of the COM. With respect to governor, under Article 167 of the Constitution, the Chief Minister acts as a link between the governor and the State Council of Ministers. CM advises the governor regarding the appointment of important officials like the Advocate General, Chairman and members of the State Election Commission, etc. And with respect to the state legislature, all the policies are announced by him on the House floor. He recommends the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly to the governor. Now let's discuss about other functions. He is the chairman of the State Planning Board. He acts as a vice chairman of the concerned zonal council by rotation, holding office for a period of 1 year at a time. He is a member of the Interstate Council and the Governing Council of Niti Aayog, both headed by the Prime Minister. He is the chief spokesman of the state government. He is the crisis manager-in-chief at the political level during emergencies. As a leader of the state, he meets various sections of the people and receives memoranda from them regarding their problems and so on. He is the political head of the services. Now moving on to practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Chief Minister. 1. He is a member of the Interstate Council and the Governing Council of Niti Aayog, both headed by the Prime Minister. 2. The Governor appoints only those persons as ministers who are recommended by the Chief Minister. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.